In today's world, driving comes with inherent risks. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on a long road trip, the unpredictability of the road is always present. Accidents can happen anytime, anywhere. Even the most cautious drivers can find themselves in unexpected situations. Dash cams have emerged as essential devices for drivers seeking safety and peace of mind. These small yet powerful gadgets are more than just cameras. They are your silent witnesses on the road. These compact cameras, mounted on your dashboard, provide an objective record of your journeys, offering invaluable evidence in case of the unexpected. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a major collision, having a dash cam can make all the difference. Dash cams are becoming increasingly popular among drivers of all ages and experience levels. From young, inexperienced drivers to seasoned veterans, everyone can benefit from the added security a dash cam provides. They act as silent witnesses, capturing every moment on the road, from scenic drives to unfortunate incidents. The footage they record can be crucial in resolving disputes, proving fault, and even protecting you from fraudulent claims. With their ability to record video and audio, dash cams offer a level of protection and security that was previously unattainable. High definition video and clear audio ensure that every detail is captured, providing you with peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or along quiet country roads, your dash cam is always there, watching, recording, keeping you safe. One of the primary benefits of having a dash cam is the protection it offers in the event of an accident. These small devices can be a game changer when it comes to ensuring your safety and peace of mind on the road. When an accident occurs, determining fault can be complex and stressful. The chaos and confusion that follow can make it difficult to recall details accurately. Dashcam footage provides clear, unbiased evidence that can help insurance companies and law enforcement determine liability fairly and accurately. This visual proof can be crucial in resolving disputes quickly and efficiently. Imagine being involved in a hit-and-run accident where the other driver flees the scene. In such scenarios, the absence of a witness can leave you feeling helpless and frustrated. Without a dash cam, proving your innocence and seeking compensation for damages can be incredibly challenging. The lack of evidence can lead to prolonged legal battles and financial strain. Dash cam footage serves as a reliable eyewitness, protecting you from false accusations and ensuring that justice is served. It can be presented in court to support your case, making it a powerful tool in legal proceedings. Beyond accidents, dash cams can also capture unexpected events such as road rage incidents or natural phenomena, providing you with a comprehensive record of your journeys. Investing in a dashcam is a proactive step towards safeguarding yourself and your loved ones on the road. Accidents can be traumatic experiences, leaving you shaken and vulnerable. The sudden impact, the sound of crunching metal, and the immediate aftermath can be overwhelming. In those critical moments, it's natural to feel disoriented and unsure of what just happened. In such situations, recalling specific details of the event accurately can be difficult. Your mind might be racing, and the stress can cloud your memory, making it hard to piece together the sequence of events. And this can be particularly challenging when you need to provide a clear account to the authorities or your insurance company. Dashcam footage eliminates the reliance on memory, providing time-stamped video and audio recordings that capture the precise sequence of events leading up to, during, and after an accident. This objective evidence can be crucial in establishing the facts, showing exactly what happened and when. It can capture details that you might miss or forget in the heat of the moment. This evidence is invaluable when dealing with insurance claims. It provides a clear, unbiased account that can support your version of events, helping to avoid disputes and misunderstandings. Insurance companies appreciate the clarity that dashcam footage brings, as it simplifies their investigation process. It helps expedite the claims process by providing irrefutable proof of the incident and the extent of damages. With clear evidence, the insurance adjuster can quickly assess the situation and determine the appropriate compensation. This can significantly reduce the time it takes to settle your claim, getting you back on the road faster. Having a dash cam can make a significant difference in ensuring a fair and timely resolution to your insurance claim. It offers peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable witness that never forgets. This small investment can save you a lot of stress and hassle in the long run, providing you with the confidence that you are protected in any driving situation. Speaking of insurance, did you know that having a dash cam installed in your vehicle can potentially lead to savings on your insurance premiums? Insurance companies recognize the value of dash cams in mitigating risk and providing evidence in case of accidents. Some insurance providers offer discounts to drivers who have dash cams installed in their vehicles. These discounts vary depending on the insurance provider and policy, but they can significantly reduce your annual insurance expenses. It's a win-win situation, enhanced safety and potential cost savings. Section 5. Beyond accidents. Unveiling the unexpected. While dash cams are primarily known for their role in accident protection, their benefits extend far beyond that. They act as silent guardians, capturing everything that happens around your vehicle, even when you're not behind the wheel. Imagine parking your car in a secluded area and returning to find it vandalized. Without any witnesses, it can be challenging to identify the perpetrators or seek compensation for the damages. Dashcams with parking mode can record events that occur while your car is parked, providing crucial evidence in such situations. Section 6. Protecting your rights. Dashcams against fraudulent claims. In today's world, unfortunately, there are individuals who may attempt to stage accidents or make fraudulent insurance claims. These scams can have severe financial and legal consequences for innocent drivers. Dashcam footage acts as a deterrent against such fraudulent activities. When scammers realize that their actions are being recorded, they are less likely to target you. The presence of a dashcam serves as a powerful tool to protect yourself from staged accidents, insurance fraud, and other forms of vehicular misconduct. Section 7. Road trip buddies. Capturing memories, ensuring safety. Dashcams are not just for everyday commutes, they are also excellent companions for road trips and adventures. Imagine embarking on a scenic drive along the coast, capturing breathtaking views and memorable moments. Dash cams with high-resolution video recording and wide-angle lenses allow you to relive your journeys in stunning detail. They can capture the beauty of the open road, the laughter of loved ones, and the unexpected encounters that make road trips so special. Section 8. Choosing the right dash cam, a guide to informed decisions. With the growing popularity of dashcams, the market offers a wide range of options to choose from. Selecting the right dashcam for your needs can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Consider factors such as video resolution, storage capacity, night vision capabilities, GPS tracking, and parking mode. Determine your budget and prioritize the features that are most important to you. Reading online reviews and comparing different models can help you make an informed decision. Section 9. Installation and usage. Simplicity at your fingertips. Installing a dash cam is a straightforward process that typically involves mounting it on your windshield or dashboard using the provided adhesive mount. Most dash cams come with user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls. Once installed, dash cams automatically start recording when you turn on your vehicle's ignition. They operate discreetly in the background without requiring any intervention from the driver. Most dash cams have loop recording, which means they automatically overwrite older footage when the storage capacity is full. Section 10. Drive with confidence. Embrace the power of dash cams. In an era of increasing road risks and technological advancements, dash cams have become indispensable devices for drivers seeking safety, security, and peace of mind. They provide an objective record of your journeys, protect you from fraudulent claims, and offer invaluable evidence in case of accidents. Embrace the power of dash cams and experience the confidence of knowing that you have a silent witness by your side. Every time you hit the road, drive with peace of mind, knowing that you're protected.